Welcome to English Apex, the channel where you learn English smarter, not harder. If you want tips that actually work, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. What if the real secret to speaking fluent English isn't about studying more books, but about training your brain differently? In this video, you'll discover how your brain actually learns English, and I'll give you practical strategies you can use starting today. Your brain is amazing. It can rewire itself through something called neuroplasticity. That means you can learn English at any age. Two key parts of your brain are working hard when you practice. Broca's area helps you speak. Wernicke's area helps you understand. But fluency isn't only about memorizing words. It's about how your brain connects meaning, sound, and context. Now, why does learning English often feel so hard? It's because most learners only focus on textbooks. But your brain doesn't learn language like a math formula. But your brain learns faster with real sound, rhythm, and interaction. Think of it like learning music. You don't just read notes, you listen and practice. That's why you can study grammar for years, but still feel nervous speaking. The problem isn't you, it's the way your brain is being trained. So let's fix that. Here are 4 powerful brain hacks to speed up your English learning. 1. Shadowing. Repeat after native speakers to train rhythm and intonation. 2. Active recall. Don't just reread your notes. Test yourself. Ask a question, then try to answer from memory. This strengthens your memory. 3. Spaced repetition. Review new words after 1 day, 3 days, then 1 week. Spacing out your practice locks information into long-term memory. 4. Speak out loud. Reading silently is fine, but speaking activates brain connections more than silent study. Fluency isn't about talent, it's about using your brain the right way. Remember, your brain is designed to learn languages. It's what humans are built for. If this video helped you, subscribe for more English tips backed by science. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest struggle in English right now?